Hello everyone, good morning to all. In today's class, we are going to start next exercise, exercise 5.4. Before that, let's see how to add integers or adding integers. We have three cases. First case, if both the integers have the plus sign, just add them. So if both the integers have plus sign, both are positive, a plus b will be equals to a plus b. So if both are positive, first integer and second integer both are positive, just add them. Second case, if both the integers have the minus sign, both are negative. Minus a, minus b. Or you can write minus a plus minus b. Or in bracket minus a plus minus b. All are same. So in second case, what to do? Just add them numerically a plus b and put a negative sign before bracket or before the number. So if both integers have the minus sign, if both are negative, just add them and put a negative sign before the number. Third case, if the integers have opposite signs, opposite means if first is positive, second is negative, or if second is positive and first is negative. So for example, let us assume that a is greater than b. Numerically, a first number is greater than b second number. First case, a minus b. If first number is positive and second number is negative. In second case, if first number is negative and second number is positive. So in third case, if both have opposite signs, a is positive, b is negative, or a is negative, b is positive, then we are assuming that a is always greater than b for present case. So in first case, if first number is positive and the positive number is greater than second number or negative number, then what to do? A minus b will be equal to a minus b only. So in first case, just perform subtraction. But in second case, numerically a is greater than b, but a is negative and b is positive. Then what to do? Again perform subtraction, a minus b. Greater number minus a smaller number. Then put a negative sign. Negative sign before bracket or negative sign before the total, or just find its opposite. So if the numbers have opposite sign, first case, larger or greater number is positive, second or smaller number is negative, perform subtraction. But if larger or greater number is negative and smaller number is positive, again perform subtraction and put a negative sign before the total or before the answer. Now we'll start exercise 5.4. First question, simplify the following. So I'll write all the statements or problem for you. So in the first question, 12 plus 1, both are positive. Both are positive, just add them. So what to do? 12 plus 1 is 13 and 13 is your answer. Right. In second case, part B, 2 plus minus b. First is positive, second is negative. Again, what to do? First is positive, second is negative, but both are numerically same or equal. If a is equals to b, then a minus b is equals to b minus a, equals to 0 because both are same. So in second case the answer is 0. The third case, first number is negative, second number is positive, and 13 is greater than 8. So what to do? In bracket 13 minus 8, difference of these two numbers, greater minus smaller, and the negative sign. So 13 minus 8 is 5 with negative sign. So minus 5 is your answer. Similarly 15 plus 7. Again 15, numerically 15 is greater than 7. So what to do? 15 minus 7 and before bracket a negative sign. So 15 minus 7 is 5 plus 3, 8 with negative sign. So minus 8 is your answer. Now in this part both are negative. If both numbers are negative, then add them and put a negative sign. Negative sign 15 plus 17. So numerically add them and the total will be a negative number. So add a minus sign before the bracket. Total is 32 with negative sign. So minus 32 is the answer. Next, minus 18 plus 9. Again 18 is greater than 9. So 18 minus 9 and sign of the greater number, biggest number, that is 18. So sign is negative. And the total is 18 minus 9 is 9 with negative sign minus 9. The next 18 minus 9. So we can write 18 minus 9 also, and 18 minus 9 is 9 or plus 9. So this is the answer. Next H, minus 9 plus 27. Second number is numerically greater than first number, or number with positive sign is greater than the second number with negative sign. So simplify it by writing 27 minus 9, and 27 minus 9 is 18. 18 is the answer. Next 120 and 137. First number is negative, second number is positive, but second number with positive sign is numerically greater than the first number. So write 137 minus 120 and sign. Sign will be negative? No. Sign is positive. Right? So 137 minus 120 will be 17. 17 is the answer. In the next case, 2000 and 1855. But 2000 is negative, 1855 is positive. So what to do? 2000 minus 1855, greater minus smaller, and the sign of greater. So 2000 minus 1855 is, you need to perform subtraction. You will get 145. So 145 with negative sign minus 145 is the answer. Now in the last case, both are negative. So minus before bracket and add them. 1558 minus 3558 or minus 3558 is the answer. Okay, in part D it is 17, so please make necessary corrections. Minus 15 plus 17, so I'll write plus 17 here. Right, so now it is better to write 17 minus 15 and the answer is plus 2. Right, so the answer is plus 2. And one more mistake, after H, part I is minus 45 plus 26. So minus 45 plus 26. Here 45 is negative and 25 sorry, 26 is positive. So what to do? 45 minus 26, subtraction with a negative sign. So the total is 45 minus 26, 19 with negative sign, or minus 19 is your answer. Next question, question number 2. Simplify first part. Minus 4 plus 4 after bracket 6. So in the next step we can solve this bracket first. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0 plus 6. So the answer is plus 6 or 6. B, minus 4 plus in the bracket 4 plus 6. So using properties of addition, we'll write minus 4 plus in the bracket 4 plus 6 is 10. Then 10 and minus 4. So we'll write 10 minus 4 or minus 4 plus 10. So the answer is 6 again. Part C, minus 1 plus 0 plus minus 6. So in the next step, minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1 plus minus 6 is minus 6. So the answer is minus 7. And part D, minus 1 plus 0 plus minus 6. So minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1 plus minus 6 is minus 6. Again the answer is minus 7. So from both the cases we can say that addition is associative, addition is commutative. Now solving part E. 9 plus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 8. So 9 plus 1 is 10 inside the bracket, plus minus 2 plus minus 8 minus 8, it means 10 minus 2 minus 8 is 0. So 0 is the answer. Then part F, again in this part, minus 14 plus 22 plus 11, and 11 is negative, plus 35. So in this question what to do? We can group these two negative numbers and these two positive numbers. So we'll write minus 14 and minus 11 inside a bracket, inside first bracket, then plus 22 and plus 35. So we can group them according to their sign. First group of negative sign or negative numbers, second group of positive sign or positive numbers. So for negative signs, minus 14 minus 11 is minus 25 plus 22 and 35, 57. Again we have two numbers, one is positive, second one is negative. So 57 minus 25 will be the answer, and the answer is 32 or plus 32. Next, part G. In part G we have minus 7 plus minus 11 plus 28 plus minus 9. So these are four numbers, out of which 3, 7, 11 and 9 are negative. So first group of negative numbers and second group of positive number. Minus 11, minus 9, 20, 20 and 7, minus 27 plus 28. Now we have two numbers, negative and positive. So 28 minus 27 is 1 or plus 1. So plus 1 is the answer. So using properties of addition, we can simplify them easily. Last part H, minus 15 plus 16 plus minus 10 plus 11. Again we have two negative and two positive numbers. grouping is based on the sign, negative and positive. So first group of negative numbers, second group of positive numbers. Minus 15 minus 10 is minus 25, plus 16 plus 11, 6 plus 1 7, 1 plus 1 2, 27. 27 minus 25 is equals to plus 2. 2 or plus 2 is the answer. The next question, question number 3. Shyam, while playing cards, lost rupees 2 in the first game, rupees 10 in the second game, and rupees 5 in the third game, and he won rupees 4 in the fourth game. What was his net gain or loss? So, Shyam, while playing cards, Shyam, while playing cards, in the first game, lost rupees 2. So first game, lost rupees 2. It means for the first game, in the first game, net gain or loss is 2. Negative 2 means a loss of 2 rupees. Then in the second game, rupees 10. So for second game, again there is a loss. Yes, loss of rupees 10 or lost rupees 10. So we'll write minus 10. Then 5 rupees in third game. Third game, again lost rupees 5. Minus 5 because 5 is the net gain or loss and minus is for loss. Negative 5 or loss of rupees 5. Then in the fourth game, won rupees 4. So 1 rupees 4, or we can write plus 4. Why plus? Because it's a gain. So what was his net gain or loss? Net gain or loss is, we have to add them, minus 2, minus 10, minus 5, plus 4. So first group of negative numbers and second group of positive numbers. Minus 2, minus 10, minus 5. Minus 2 minus 10 is minus 12 and minus 17 plus 4 or minus 13. So his net gain or loss is rupees 13 with negative sign means he is in loss. Net loss is rupees 13. Negative 13 means loss of rupees 13. So finally at the end of the game he is in loss of rupees 13. Next question number 4. Between midnight and 1 a.m. the temperature dropped by 3 degrees. The next hour it dropped by 2 more degrees, and in the third hour it went down by 3 degrees. During the fourth hour it rose up by 2 degrees. What was the total fall in the temperature between midnight and 4 a.m.? So answer number 4, change in temperature. Change in temperature. So for first hour between midnight and 1 a.m. First is between midnight and 1 a.m. The change in temperature was 3 degrees. 3 degrees negative. Why? Because there is a drop in temperature. Then in second hour between 1 a.m. and 2 a.m. So between 1 a.m. 2 a.m. Again, drop in temperature, so -2. For third hour, in between 2 a.m. and 3 a.m. So between 2 a.m. and 3 a.m. again temperature dropped by 3 degrees. Now in fourth hour or between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. there is a rise in temperature of 2 degrees. So midnight and 1 a.m. between midnight and 1 a.m. drop in temperature, drop of 3 degrees. Then 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. next hour 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. again a drop of 2 degrees. Between 2 a.m. and 3 a.m. drop of 3 degrees, and in fourth hour 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. there is a rise in temperature of 2 degrees. So the question is, what was the total fall in the temperature between midnight and 4 a.m.? So between midnight and 4 a.m. what is the change? So total change in temperature is, we have to add them, +3, no, -3, -2, -3 and +2. -3, -2, -3 first group, and second group of positive number. 3 plus 3 and 2, -8 plus 2 or -6 degree. -6 degree is the answer, or is the change in temperature. So total change or change in temperature, problem statement is, what was the total fall in the temperature between midnight and 4 a.m. So total change. Now the change is negative, it means it is a fall, and if the change is positive, in case if the change comes out to be positive, then this change is rise in temperature. So here the change is negative, so total fall in the temperature during midnight and 4 a.m. is 6 degrees. Next question, number 5. A car traveled north of Delhi by 40 km and then south by 50 km. How far from Delhi was the car finally? So in this question, initially, say the car is here, this is north, this direction is south, east and west. So car traveled north of Delhi by 40. So from this point, car traveled in the north direction for 40 km. So the car is somewhere here. After traveling 40 kilometers, after covering the distance is 40 kilometers. This is the new position of the car. Then south by 50. So from this point, south by 50. So 40 plus 10 will be 50. So from this point, 50 kilometers. 50 kilometers. How far from Delhi was the car finally? And this is Delhi. This is nothing but, this point is representing Delhi. So from Delhi, 40 kilometers up or in north direction. Then from this point again 50 kilometers down or in south direction. So now the car is somewhere here and the distance is 10. 50 minus 40. 10 south of Delhi. So in words, what to write? car. For car traveled from Delhi first north 40 kilometers, so we'll write plus 40, and then from this point south 50 kilometers, so we'll write minus 50, because if 40 is representing distance covered and plus is for north direction, then we have to write minus for opposite or south direction. So 40 is positive in north direction, 50 is negative in south direction. So net traveling or distance covered, actually it's a displacement, but we'll write distance, is plus 40 minus 50. Plus 40 in north direction, minus 50 in south direction. So net is 10 with a negative sign. Negative means in south direction. So what to write? How far from Delhi was the car? Finally, car is 10 kilometer away, 10 kilometer from Delhi in south, or car is 10 kilometers south of Delhi. Both are correct. Car is 10 kilometers from Delhi in south, or in south direction, in southern direction, or car is 10 kilometers south of Delhi. Next, question number 6. Complete the following addition table. So in this table, plus means we have to add these numbers. So in the first row, if you can see, minus 5 is minus 10. Similarly, minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9. And so on. Minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. And we have to complete this table. Now for this box, value is minus 5 vertically from this column and minus 4. So we have to add minus 5 and minus 4. The value is minus 9. Minus 4 and minus 4 for this table. Minus 8, minus 4, minus 3, minus 7, minus 4, minus 2, minus 6, minus 4, minus 1 is minus 5. Then minus 4, minus 3, minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Then plus 2 and minus 4. Minus 2, minus 4 plus 3, minus 1, minus 4 plus 4, 0, and minus 4 plus 5 will be 1 with positive sign, so plus 1. Similarly, we have to repeat this process for all remaining parts. Minus 3, minus 5, minus 8, and minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3 plus 3, 0, plus 1, and plus 2. So if you observe the pattern of these numbers carefully, by the arrangement itself, the answer is in the series. So after minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, next will be minus 7. Let's say minus 2, minus 5, yes, minus 7. Next is minus 6, minus 1, minus 5. So minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, and must be 0. Plus 5, minus 5, yes. And horizontally, after minus 7, minus 6. Minus 2, minus 4 is minus 6, yes. After minus 6, next is minus 5. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, yes. So, again, we can write these numbers by observing this trend or series. After minus 6, minus 5, -4, -3, -2, -1, and so on. Again, 0 plus 2 will be plus 2. So, we have to just repeat this. Right. No, it is plus 8, then plus 1. Right. So, this is the final table, final answer table for you. Next question, question number 7. Study the above table, study this table carefully and answer the following. First, list pairs of integers whose sum is -1. So, answer number 7, part A. List pairs of integers whose sum is -1. Sum is -1. So, these are all numbers whose sum is -1. So sum or the total is -1 for +4 and -5. Then this is the second number, +3, -4. So all the possible numbers are starting from first column, -5 +4, then -4 +3, then -3 +2, then -2 +1, and -1 0, -1 and 0. Then we have 0, 0 and -1, 0 and -1. So after this combination is same, the arrangement or sequence is different. So writing 0 -1 or writing -0 1 both are same. So these are 5 combinations. Then part B, list pairs of integers whose sum is 0. Whose sum is 0. So pairs of integers whose sum is 0. This is the diagonal. So for 0 we have +5 and -5, then -4 +4. So for 0, -5 +5, then -4 +4, next -3 +3, -3 and +3, -2 +2, -1 +1, and last 0 and 0, 0 and 0. Then part C is -5 +3 is -5 +3 equals to 3 plus -5. Yes, -5 +3. -5 +3 is -2, and 3 plus -5. 3 plus -5 is also -2. So yes, both are same. And -5 + 3 or 3 plus -5 is equals to -2. So yes, both are same. Then is 2 plus -3 equals to -3 plus 2. Yes, this is also correct. Let's check it. 2 or plus 2 -3. So this is the number, total is minus 1 or minus 3 plus 2. So from this column, minus 3 plus 2. Yes, both are minus 1. So both are minus 1 and answer is yes, both are same. Then part D is minus 5 plus 5, an integer. Part D, minus 5 plus 5 is 0. Yes, 0 is an integer. Is 4 plus minus 3 an integer? 4 plus minus 3 is 1 and 1 is also integer. So yes, they are integers. Both are integers. Last, list pairs of integers whose sum is 2. Whose sum is 2. So for 2, so these are all possible combinations, and we have to start from this side, plus 5 and minus 3, then plus 4 and minus 2. Answer number E. Possible combinations are plus 5 minus 3, then plus 4 minus 2, plus 4 minus 2, then next is plus 3 minus 1, then plus 2 0, plus 2 0, next is plus 1 and plus 1, next 0 plus 2, next minus 1 plus 3, then minus 2 plus 4, and we have minus 3 plus 5, out of which these are same. This interchange of numbers are there. So plus 5 minus 3 or minus 3 plus 5, both are same. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are five combinations. So for getting plus 2 is total. If the sum is plus 2, then these are possible combinations. Next question, question number 8. Fill in the blanks. First part, minus 10 plus minus 15. Add both are negative. So 10 plus 15 is 25 and sign negative. So minus 25 is the answer. The next part, blank or missing number, plus 6 is 13. So for finding this number, 13 minus 6 will be the answer. 7 or plus 7. Then we have 15 plus missing number equals to 4. So for finding value of this number, what to do? Just change its place. Change its place and change its place. So 15 plus 4 will be equal to plus 19, and again change its place. It is minus 19. Or you can calculate it by changing place of 15 also. So minus 4 minus 15. If you change the place of 15, here it is positive, there it is negative, there it will be negative. So the value is minus 19. 15 minus 19 is minus 4. Next, minus 4 plus 12. So 12 minus 4 is 8 plus 8. Then next, minus 8, 5. What will be the number? What will be the missing number? Missing number, actually this missing number is numerically 5 greater than 8. Right? So this number is numerically 5 greater than 8. So what to do? 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is 13 with positive sign. So plus 13 plus minus 8, or 13 minus 8 will be 5. So this number is 13. And here the total is 0. 0 means value is 15. 15 or plus 15. Then 15 plus missing number is equals to minus 2. So this number is minus 17. Why minus 17? Numerically this number is 2 greater than this number. So this number plus this number with negative sign will be equal to 2, or 15 after changing its place will become minus 15. Minus 2 minus 15 is minus 17. So the missing number is minus 17. Then missing number plus 16 is minus 2. So the total of these two numbers is 2. So for finding this value, what to do? Just change its place. Plus 16 will become minus 16. Minus 2 and minus 16 is minus 18. So first number or missing number is minus 18. Then 4 plus missing number is 13. Just change its place. 13 minus 4, 9, or plus 9. Then last, minus 5 plus missing number is equals to 6, or change its place. The answer is 11. 11 or plus 11. So 11 minus 5 is 6. So by changing place of these numbers, you can find out the values of missing numbers. So now I'll request you to please solve all the questions of this exercise. And if you have any doubt, any problem in this exercise or any of the topic of maths of your class 6, please write your comments in the comment box. Thank you.